Alright, we're back. And wait, is this? No, okay. So we're gonna be doing some more water bottle flip magic tricks. Let's go down. Let's go.
Not do water bottle flip magic tricks. Let's just right off the bat.
Yeah,
flip it off the bat.
Yeah, I know. But then we're also gonna be doing some magic tricks.
How many flips in the world can I do?
3, 4, 5.
I have been practicing a lot.
I suck.
Because you don't flip it right. See?
Oh, I got it.
That's why you need to
Got it. Got it. Oh, man.
How many flips?
That would have been awesome.
See? It lands. I'm going to see if I can cap it. Oh, dude.
What? Oh, it almost capped.
Dude.
Wait, stop. Whoops.
Dude, yours is not even closed all the way. It's going to leak.
No, it's not. Evan, is it leaking?
No, but look at the bottle.
I know.
Look at that. It's gay.
Fuck you.
I landed the crap.
I know you landed it.
First try. Dude, let's see if we can get the cap up here. Okay, I flip it like that.
Age 8. Why?
Why the gay?
It won't focus. There we go. Age 8. Like, why?
Okay, how about I flip it and you try to land your cap up here. Ready? Go on.
Ready?